Hi guys, Michael back 5000 here. I just come out to a holiday and going out for a camping holiday in Truro in Cornwall, and I'm detecting horseshoe. I was just trying to I'm just going to see if I can detect a rare bat. This is actually the horseshoe bat that I'm trying to detect. I had 2 pipistrelles coming, or whatever bat species that I've detected coming around. Well, bats, you know, guys, including pipistrelles, they're the most commonest UK bat, especially common one. That's really common. Anyways, let's see if I can detect any bats. Just gonna have to head further because I bet the bats are going over there, aren't they? Because you know what the bats are like. Everyone loves your dog on the lead. Well, we could have brought Lucy, because we could have brought Lucy with us, our Labrador Retriever, but she was basically too stubborn to go with us. She's an absolute stubborn dog. I meant Lucy. I know she's an absolute stubborn dog, is Lucy. I almost can't train her. She's absolutely stubborn. Okay. She's an absolute stubborn dog. A really stubborn dog. Well, that's because she, she basically eats all sorts, guys. And, she'll even eat bits of cardboard, that dog will. Well, she eats everything, going with my own food. Well, her own food, our food, and the birds' food. She basically has a lot. Basically, and it's not because I mistreat her. She is a well-fed dog, but she basically thinks she's hungry when she's not. Oh. That was the common pipistrelle. Shall we wait here for a bit to detect the bats? That's not a bat. See, you know, there's always herring gulls that go past the campsite. There's always herring gulls that fly past the campsite. The beach is about a mile away from the campsite. I was thinking about going tomorrow. You see, what I heard is not a bat, actually. It's basically someone's tent wibbly wobbling or something. Yeah, it was some herring gulls returning to roost. Well, I don't really get them in my area. I don't really get them in my home. What? That's not a bat, Dad.
No, it's the engine. That lever is on the side of the car.
Yeah. So that's actually the engine that's doing it. It's the engine that's basically doing it, guys. It's not a bat. Yeah, there's a heck lot of herring gulls around. There was a lot of herring gulls around Tal Wybont, which we've been last year in Wales. Well, Cornwall's a nice, good place to be, basically, because there's also you get to see a lot of rare bats, including horseshoe bats that I haven't even detected yet. I might have detected pipistrelles in my area, but that's in the woods near my home. Whoa, I've never seen that before. It's some sort of a moth there, which you just saw. So it's 3 bats I detected yesterday, today. Well, you know, because can you please stop interrupting my video? This cheeky girls are at it, trying to spoil my video. Yeah, and your babies, tell them to stop it or something. Well, because, you know, guys, there are horseshoe bats in Cornwall, the populations are increasing, but because they're so rare, sadly I've never got to detect the bats that I was looking for, basically. So anyway, see you in another video.